Thank you for participating in this study. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together your breath condensation collection kit. Before we start, I'm going to put gloves on, and you should put gloves on before each time you collect your samples. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's included. Okay. First, we have the battery pack and the battery charger. And then some cords that will be connected to the battery to the motor. And this is the motor. And this is the main part. And the mouthpiece, a clip to keep these two together. And then a couple other parts that will be necessary. Okay, I'm gonna put these pieces together. So you take this L-shaped piece with this square piece, and you just clip it in, and it should lock in place. And then because this is loose, I'm going to use this clip to keep them together. So where the hooks are goes on top, and then that should lock in place. And once that's on, be sure to slide the clip to the front, very front, so that there's space for the round plastic piece to fit. So the thinner side will go in, and it should fit right in. Okay, and then you're going to put your blue mouthpiece in the front. So you're just going to push it in just enough so that it'll stay in place. It's not going to go all the way to the back. Please don't try to push it in all the way, because that will break the mouthpiece. And just push it far enough so that it'll stay in place. Okay, and then we're going to put the motor together. So you're going to put these cords to the battery. So they're all color coded. So the orange and the green, so it's easy for you to know where each piece goes. So the green cord will go where the green sticker is. So I'm going to put this in here. And then the orange, the same place. Okay, and then these end black pieces will connect to the motor. And again, these are color coded, so you know exactly where they go. So they should clip in, and that clips in there. Okay, once that's done, take this round rubber disc piece, set it on top of the motor, and then place the motor on, sorry, that came apart. So that goes on top, and then so place the motor on top. So the main piece will just fit like that. And this piece is loose, so you're gonna have to hold that in place. So once that's all set up and complete, push the power button on your battery pack, and push it once, and this orange light should light up, and you should hear the motor's fan running and vibrating, which means that it's on and working. And so just breathe into the mouthpiece for about 20 minutes. Breathe normally, and it'll collect the condensation right in this container. And so that's how you collect your sample.